Hi crafters! Gusto nyo rin ba mag-print ng borderless sa Epson L3216? Kaso, hindi mo alam kung paano. Go! Manood ka na rito. First, kailangan natin ng driver. So, download muna tayo. Search lang sa Google Epson L382 driver. Then, click this one, Epson L382 support. Yan. So, scroll down lang dito sa drivers. Then, after that, makikita nyo to, itong driver version 2.50. Then, click that. Then, click download. Yan. Then, after na download, install natin yung driver. So, click yes lang. After that, click setup. Then click OK. Another one. Then the software license agreement. So click agree lang. Then click OK again. Okay, then we have here utilities setup. So click manual. Dito natin siya i-click yung driver natin na dinownload kanina. Then, click OK. So, click OK. Then, pwede na gamitin yan. Try natin mag-print ng notebook cover. So, click share lang, then download. Then, PDF print. Then, click download. Yan. So, let's just wait na matapos yung pag-download ng file. Now, we're ready to print. So, click lang natin to. And then, makikita nyo dito, nakaset up na yung driver na dinownload natin, which is Epson L382. Yeah. Then, click this one. Yan. So, magta-try muna ako ng bond paper. Ayan, makikita dyan na hindi siya totally borderless. Meron pa rin siyang white sa sides. Ayan. So, ilang beses na ako nakatry din ng ganyan. Naisip ko, baka nag-work ang borderless printing. Or mas mag-work siya kapag nakasave yung file as image. Kaya ginawa ko, dinownload ko ulit yung file ko. So, kung kanina ay PDF, ngayon naman as image, then itatry ko ulit mag-print kung magiging borderless na ba siya. Print na natin yung download natin na image. Ayan yun. Then, try natin to. Then, click print. Check lang natin yung settings. Okay, A4. Then, makikita dito, borderless printing. It's on. Click OK. Another, click OK. And then, click print. As you can see, yung output is borderless na. Nag-work siya through image file printing. Nag-print na ako using photo paper kasi kanina bond paper lang yung mga tinry ko. Yan. Success!